Accuracy is critical in intraoral radiography. Every inaccurate image requires a retake, and the more images are retaken, the greater the exposure to ionizing radiation. That's why the ALARA principle, as low as reasonably achievable, has become the backbone of radiation protection practice. The goal is to capture every diagnostically acceptable image in one take, to maximize patient comfort, minimize chair time, and ensure your safety and your patients. To help improve image quality and minimize radiation exposure, Dentsply Sirona has created the Rinn line of intraoral imaging accessories. The Rinn line of media holders and aiming devices help reduce intraoral radiography errors, such as improper positioning, angulation, and media placement. Rinn accessories are designed to simplify your workflow, so you can focus on getting the image you need the first time, regardless of the type of media. As the originator of the industry-standard colour-coded system, Dentsply Sirona developed the ultimate intraoral imaging solution. Using the Rinn XCP Aura one ring and arm positioning system in combination with the Rinn XCP DS Fit universal sensor holders simplifies your positioning procedure. The 3-in-1 positioning ring coordinates with the colour-coded bite blocks, reducing the clutter of arms and rings in your work area. Each bite block has silicone cushioned edges to help provide patient comfort and self-adjusting clips to stretch and fit multiple digital sensor sizes and brands. The disposable Rinn Unigrip 360 universal sensor holder is designed to optimize efficiency, accuracy, and comfort. The easy rotating tab is designed for posteriors, anteriors, and bite wings. One holder is all you need for a full mouth series. Use it with the Unigrip AR 3-in-1 positioning system for even more accurate positioning. In some cases, maintaining patient comfort while capturing an accurate image requires an alternative approach. That's why Dentsply Sirona offers the Rinn Snap Array DS Universal Sensor Holder to easily capture anterior and posterior bisecting angle radiographs with one holder. The optional 2-in-1 arm and ring kit can be used to improve alignment. For your endodontic needs, Rinn offers the Snap Array DS Endo with a cutout bite surface to leave room for your work. Rinn Snap Array Extra is available as a film and phosphor plate solution. Designed to fit comfortably in challenging spaces, Dentsply Sirona offers the Rinn Comfort Wand Universal Sensor Holder. The universal design works with all sensor sizes for vertical and horizontal images. The soft elastic strap covers hard sensor corners and securely holds the sensor for accurate placement. The recessed slot in the handle tames the sensor cord. The easy-to-load compact holder is an option for pediatric and endodontic imaging. To adhere to the ALARA principle, it's important to shield patients with protective aprons and thyroid collars. Rinn offers SoothGuard Air lead-free dental X-ray aprons with an innovative magnetic closure that provides a secure fit and prevents hair and clothing from getting entangled. The aprons are offered for intraoral and extraoral imaging in multiple colours to complement your practice decor. Dentsply Sirona is dedicated to providing clinicians with solutions to achieve high-quality diagnostic images. For a better patient and user experience, choose Rinn.